Imagine your app is fetching user information from API. The data arrives few seconds later and the UI needs to update automatically. Before solutions like LiveData, developers had to manually update the screen whenever the data changes. LiveData simplified that. The UI simply observes the data and whenever the data changes, the UI updates automatically. But what made LiveData really popular wasn't just automatic updates. It was the fact that it understood the Android lifecycle. For example, if the user leaves the screen or the activity gets destroyed, LiveData automatically stops sending updates to that screen. It helps avoid memory leaks, unnecessary processing, and crashes that could be caused by updating the UI that no longer exists.